Hey there, science fans! Ever wondered why your stomach starts growling like a bear waking up from hibernation? That, my friends, is the call of hunger. It's your body's way of saying, hey, I need some fuel over here. Hunger is a natural biological signal. It tells us when our bodies are running low on energy and need to be refueled. Think of it like your car's gas gauge. When the needle dips low, it's a sign you need to head to the gas station. Similarly, when your body's energy stores dwindle, hunger signals start flashing, urging you to grab a nutritious bite. Hunger isn't your enemy. It's your body's way of keeping you going. It's a reminder to nourish ourselves and provide the energy we need to learn, play, and tackle our day. So the next time your stomach starts talking, listen up. It's just reminding you to show your amazing body some love with a healthy meal or snack. Now let's meet the mastermind behind those hunger pangs. Ghrelin. Ghrelin is a hormone, a chemical messenger that travels in our blood. It's produced in our stomachs, and it plays a starring role in making us feel hungry. You see, when our stomachs are empty and haven't seen food in a while, ghrelin levels start to rise. Think of ghrelin as a little chef inside your stomach, ringing a dinner bell. As ghrelin levels increase, it's like that dinner bell gets louder and louder, sending signals to your brain. Food time! Food time! This ghrelin signal travels all the way to your brain, specifically to a region called the hypothalamus. And guess what? The hypothalamus is kind of like our brain's control center for hunger. The hypothalamus is a tiny but mighty part of our brain. It's responsible for regulating many essential bodily functions, including hunger. When ghrelin reaches the hypothalamus, it's like flipping a switch. The hypothalamus then triggers a cascade of events, leading to those familiar feelings we associate with hunger. That rumbling stomach, a slight dip in energy, and maybe even a little bit of a grumbling mood. But ghrelin isn't the only player in this hunger game. Our bodies are complex machines, and other factors can influence hunger too. Sometimes we might feel hungry even when we don't necessarily need more food. That's because our emotions can also play a part in triggering those hunger pangs. It's like our emotions have a direct line to our brain's hunger control center. Have you ever noticed how a bad day can leave you craving a giant bowl of ice cream? Or how excitement can make you reach for a bag of chips? That's emotional eating in action. Sometimes we eat not because our bodies are physically hungry, but because we're trying to satisfy an emotion. When we're stressed, sad, or bored, our brains release hormones that can trick us into thinking we're hungry, even if we've eaten recently. It's like our emotions are putting on a disguise, making us think we need food, when what we really need is a hug, a good cry, or maybe just a change of scenery. Emotional eating is very common, and it's important to remember that it's okay to seek comfort in food occasionally. However, if emotional eating becomes a frequent habit, it can lead to overeating and potential health issues. Finding healthy ways to cope with emotions, like talking to a friend, exercising, or practicing mindfulness, can help us distinguish between physical hunger and emotional hunger. Now that we understand the science behind hunger, let's talk about how to manage it effectively. One of the best ways to keep hunger in check is to eat regular, balanced meals throughout the day. Think of it like fueling up your car for a road trip. You wouldn't wait until your gas tank is completely empty before stopping at a gas station, right? Similarly, by eating regular meals, we provide our bodies with a steady stream of energy, preventing those extreme dips in blood sugar that can send hunger signals into overdrive. A balanced meal, including protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates, helps us feel fuller for longer and provides the nutrients our bodies need to thrive. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Your support helps us create more content like this.